It's a Christmas Eve drive with Faith in the 1970 Mustang Coupe 302. She thinks this is her car.
I mean, I know it's my car.
She thinks.
I fell in love with it way before you ever, like, even saw it or knew it existed, okay? I talk about this car probably more than you talk about this car. And you have, like, 3 other ones, so. Just let me have this one.
The gas gauge has been going off and on. We just got to get that fixed. There is gas in the car, but so that's not working. But your oil and temperature and your voltage are up here.
What's our top speed?
Maybe 120. And another one.
It's only 50, right?
We stopped by O'Reilly for some light bulbs, and the employee there was super excited to see the Mustang. He's got a GT of his own. Thankfully, he wanted to see the engine, because when I popped the hood, I noticed some antifreeze on the intake manifold. I showed Faith how to diagnose and fix it. Yeah, that was wet right there. It's definitely coming from that hose. Okay, here we go. You got the hose right here. This is your hose.
Yep.
Going to the top of the intake manifold. You're going to loosen this, okay? And we're going to get a little bit more antifreeze. It's going to go right in here. But you're going to loosen this, and we're going to take this hose and just really push down on it, and then tighten it back down. So when you reach in here, just turn it to the left. And loosen that up a little bit. See, it's already leaking a little bit down there. See, that's the leak that you were seeing. It's a little bit more. Push it down. Okay. I'm just going to soak all that stuff up. Won't hurt anything just sitting there, but we want the engine to keep looking pretty, right?
Yeah.
All right, I think we got it on there pretty good. Nice job, shop girl. Yeah, the sky is beautiful back there behind you. Do you like this car?